In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google AdSense support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can reach the right place quickly and confidently. First, open the Google Ads website in your browser and sign in. Even if your goal is AdSense help, starting from the Google Ads interface is a reliable way to access Google's support pathways. Make sure you're using the same Google account that manages your AdSense so the system can recognize your products and show you the most relevant options. If you manage multiple profiles, take a quick second to confirm you're in the correct one by checking the account indicator in the top right corner. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the screen for the Help icon. It typically appears as a small circle with a question mark. Click it to open the Help panel. This panel is your gateway to Google's documentation, troubleshooting guides, and the contact flow that can route you to AdSense support. If the panel feels small, don't worry, everything you need is right there, and it's designed to guide you step by step. Inside the Help panel, you have two simple ways to move forward. You can use the search bar at the top to type a few keywords that describe your AdSense issue, things like payments, policy, or account access. This narrows the suggestions to the most relevant help articles and support entry points. Or, if you prefer, you can scroll through the recommended topics shown in the panel. These are curated based on common questions and can be a quick way to land on the right category without typing. After you've searched or browsed, look for the option labeled Contact Us. Click it to start the guided support flow. You'll be asked a couple of brief questions so the system can understand your issue and connect you to the appropriate support channel. Keep your description clear and specific. Mention what you're trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. This helps the system surface the best path, whether that's an email form, a callback option, or additional tailored resources. To recap, open Google Ads and sign in. Click the Help icon in the top right. Use the search bar or scroll through the Help panel, and then choose Contact Us. With these steps, you're set to reach Google support for AdSense-related issues efficiently. Thanks for